Hey everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use Semrush for your YouTube keyword research. This is going to be especially great if you need an endless amount of ideas for your YouTube videos, and we're going to be utilizing an incredible tool for this called Semrush. So if you haven't gotten to test out this platform, then I will put a link in our description. And if you click on it, you will get a free trial so that you can follow along with me perfectly. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Diving right in, the very first step to getting started with our Semrush keyword research is to enter a broad keyword or topic into the tool. And this is what we call a seed keyword, and it's going to serve as the starting point for our research. For example, if you're into the music niche, then you might enter music as your seed keyword, or if volleyball, for example, is your passion, then you can go ahead and type volleyball. And then after that, you will notice that things get a little interesting as you can narrow it down even further by thinking about specific products, goals, or benefits within your niche. So if let's say that you are in the internet marketing space, then you could go with internet marketing, social media marketing, network marketing, or affiliate marketing as your seed keyword. You could even target specific products or tools like Semrush itself, or any of the various landing page and sales funnel builders. The possibilities are quite endless. However, for this demo video, I'm going to assume that we are looking for lead generation, sales, and the software that goes along with it. So in that case, we will use the keyword sales funnel as our seed. Go ahead and type that into Semrush and then click search. And after that comes the part of analyzing the results. After clicking search, you will see that we have thousands of potential keywords that we could create videos around. This is where Semrush really shines. It gives you a massive list of quick, relevant ideas that you can explore further. So start by looking at the most popular keywords starting from the top, and the very first one is sales funnel, which is pretty broad, but then as you go through the keywords you will notice that there are many different ones that you can target, such as sales funnel template, or the competition is significantly less, and this could be an absolute goldmine. So you can imagine creating a video that walks your audience through the different stages of a sales funnel, giving them a template or a blueprint to follow. You could start with the lead generation or squeeze page, move on to the thank you page, and then cover the sales letter, checkout page with one-click upsells or downsells, and finally the download page. Condensing all of this valuable information into a comprehensive video training would be incredibly valuable for your audience, and it's something that they are clearly searching for. And as you scroll through the list, you will find even more keyword gems like what is a sales funnel, stages of a sales funnel definition, and so much more. Each and every single one of these keywords with low competition presents an opportunity to create highly targeted, valuable content that directly addresses your audience's needs and interests. You could go in depth on real life examples, showcase your own sales funnel in action, or break down the different stages and components in detail. One great approach that I would normally recommend would be to create a series of videos, each one tackling a different aspect of sales funnels. So for instance, you could start with an introductory video explaining the basics and definition of a sales funnel, and then from there you could create separate videos diving into the various stages, templates, and real-world examples. Not only does this allow you to cover a ton of ground and provide comprehensive information to your audience, but it also helps you rank for multiple related keywords and build a strong interconnected content library on your channel. But Semrush does not just give you a massive list of keywords, it also provides valuable insights into the search volume and competition levels. This data can be invaluable in validating your content ideas and ensuring that you're creating videos that people are actually searching for. For example, let's take a look at the keyword sales funnels examples. Semrush shows that it has a monthly search volume of around 880. Now it is for Google searches, but it's still a pretty good indicator of interest. And this suggests that there is some demand for content around this topic, which means it could be a great opportunity for you to capitalize on. Additionally, Semrush can give you a glimpse into the competition landscape for that keyword. So if the competition is relatively low, it could be an excellent chance for you to create a standout video that ranks well and attracts a lot of traffic. On the other hand, if the competition is extremely high, then you might want to reconsider your approach or look for a more specific, long-tail variation of the keyword that's easier to rank for. Now, while keyword research is undoubtedly one of the most powerful features of Semrush, it's not really the only one. You also get a comprehensive suite of SEO and marketing tools that can further enhance your YouTube strategy in so many different ways. For example, you can use the site audit feature to identify and fix any technical issues on your channel that could be hindering your visibility and ranking potential. So things like broken links, slow page load times, or duplicate content can all negatively impact your SEO, and Semrush can help you get those issues sorted out. Additionally, the backlink analysis tools can help you understand your channel's link profile and identify opportunities for building high quality backlinks from other websites and channels. And this can boost your authority and rankings, making it easier for your videos to be discovered by your target audience. And if you're running ads or sponsored content on YouTube, then Semrush's advertising tools can help you optimize your campaigns, analyze your competitors' strategies, and get the most value out of your money when it comes to paid promotion. Moving on, there is also collaborating and engaging. This is one powerful strategy that can amplify the impact of your Semrush-fueled keyword research. By partnering with other creators and influencers in your niche or industry, you can tap into new audiences and maximize your reach and impact. So not only does this help build a stronger connection and foster a sense of community around your channel, but it can also provide valuable insights into the types of content that your audience is looking for, which can inform your future keyword research and content strategy. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully through this video, you know exactly how you can get started with Semrush for your own YouTube keyword research. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.